That's wonderful, Anandpreet. I'm so happy to listen to your voice. Now I want you all to go to the chat window. Okay. And let me
Okay.
see which is your favorite subject. So if it is
Ma'am,
computers, yes, Anandpreet,
ma'am, my
tell me.
favorite subject math, EVS, Hindi, English, Punjabi.
Wow, so many. That's wonderful. So, yeah, I know you all are present. I'm going to the chat window. I'm looking at the answers, what you are writing to your teachers. So now we are shifting to the IT class. I have about more than 30 students here. And I want you all to write answers for the question. No one will unmute. You know the remote learning etiquettes. That's wonderful,
Okay,
boys
ma'am.
and girls. That's good, very good, dear. So now you have to write the first alphabet of the subject that is favorite for you. If it is EVS, you should write S, which is for science. If it is English, write E. If it is maths, write M. If it is Punjabi, write P. If it is Hindi, write H. And if it is computers, write I. It stands for IT. Okay, the first response is from Eklavya. He has written M. Maths is your favorite subject. Very good. EP. Okay, two. English and Punjabi. That's very good. Okay, very good. I'm just going to all the chat here and looking for.
मैम
Yes, dear.
मैम मुझे कंप्यूटर में थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्टी हो रही थी.
Difficulty हो रही थी कोई बात नहीं. We will take care of that. Oh wow, so many responses. We will see. Dhruv says maths. Arpan says S means Levis says C, which is computers. Ishmeet, science. Yojit says I and S. I means IT. Okay, very good. IT and science. Nikhil says maths, English. Suvreen says
मैम
English.
आई
Raman says Punjabi. Ritvik says I. Anandpreet, you are a wonderful girl, but you have to follow the remote learning etiquette. See, all your friends are writing in the chat. Keshav says S, very good. Baltek says E. Harveen says E, good, good. Ishmeet has got three favorite subjects. Wonderful. So many responses. I'm so happy. Kirat Pal, Baltek, Harveen, Sarika, everyone, Kushmandeep. Yeah. Ma'am is tired. Priyanka, everyone has written. That's very good. So what we are going to do today is your IT class, as you all know. And now I am going to look for on my screen, I'm just checking. There is a challenge, for the students whose favorite is, what you call this, IT, and whose favorite is English, and whose favorite is EVS, whose favorite is maths, whose favorite is Punjabi, whose favorite is Hindi. For all these students, we have got a challenge. So what you have to do, it's called 200 word challenge. Okay, 200 words challenge. That means you have to write 200 words for one specific topic. Now, we need to check whose mic is on unmute. This is Avnoor. Avnoor, good morning. Avnoor, dear, good
गुड
morning.
मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, beta. Who is crying at your house? Small baby? Who is this small baby? Achal has written so many subjects. Tanveer has also written. Sanvi has also written. Mukhtiar also. Very good. Mukhtiar says, समझ नहीं आती. Okay. No problem, Mukhtiar. We will help you. Okay. So what we have to do, it's called 200 word challenge. Okay, okay, I need to share my screen. Give me a second, please. I'm
मैम
almost there. We will take all your doubts. Last 5 minutes will be for the doubts. Any student can come up and ask their doubts. Okay. So hence now I want you all to mute your mic and listen to me and write in the chat. I am also on the chat and I promise I'll reply to all the questions and answers which you are showing me or writing in the chat window. Okay. That's a promise from my side. So I know you all know how to make Adobe Post. है ना? You have done it earlier and I have seen many of you making Adobe Post and your teachers helping you out. That's very nice of them. Okay. So I think my screen is visible now. Writing for change, it's there. Let me see thumbs ups in the chat window. How many of you can see my screen? I'm going to the chat window to see your answers. Here is my phone. Balteg has given first. Very good. Ria, you are present? Okay, ma'am will see that. Okay. I'll do is first I will tell the topic for which I have asked your teachers to wait here so that they can prepare for the next class. Okay, and then they can leave. All right. So teachers would be creating a wakelet which you are not aware of. As a student, you do not know about the wakelet. So your teachers will create one wakelet each for their own section. And whatever Adobe web page you will prepare or whatever writing, whatever information, whatever, it's like a essay writing or so. What you will write in that on a paper or in the Adobe web page, and teachers can upload it at their end. All right. So that is how we are going to go about it. Okay. So for that, I was requesting teachers you to wait. So you have to create a wakelet for yourself for your own class so that all the children can upload their wakelets. You can give them access who are aware of, and who are not aware of the wakelet, we can take their Adobe web page link and we can upload it. Now let me show you the date of the challenge. It says till 11th of December. Okay, this is till 11th of December. We have to upload all the wakelets. So thank you, teachers. This was for you. So your wish, if you wish, you can stay here. Otherwise, you may prepare for your next class. Thank you so much for waiting. Okay. Yes, excuse dear. बोलिए.
What is meaning of prepare?
What is meaning of prepare?
Yes.
Prepare means to get ready. Okay. All right. So now we are going to see on the screen. Can you see that you are getting a writing challenge? Writing for change. It's written. That's the name of the topic. So you all have to listen to me carefully. There are 10 topics. I'm going slow. Okay. There are 10 topics given in this challenge. It says, welcome to the Writing for Change challenge. Complete as many of the 10 writing challenges as you can and upload your work to Wakelet and win awards. So out of 10, you can write 1, you can write 2, you can write 3, you can write 10. It's up to you. Now what happens? Once you have written, either you write it on a paper and you send it to your teachers, or if you are aware of making Adobe web page, I will tell you today Adobe web page also. You can take help of your brothers, sisters who are in other classes like 6, 7, 8. Students from grade 4 also know to make Adobe web page. So अगर आपके भैया दीदी कोई भी है ना उन क्लासेस में, आप उनसे भी हेल्प ले सकते हैं. ठीक है? How to make Adobe web page. For before that I'll tell you today. Okay? So then whose mic is on unmute? Balteg, check your mic, bete. Okay. See what are the steps. This is the flow chart. On the right hand side in blue color, I am hovering my cursor here. Can you see there? It says complete the 200 word writing challenge inside Adobe Spark. You have, this is the first step. Second is follow the collaborative link. Third is create a collection. Fourth is share your collection. So this third and fourth could be done by your teachers because your students of small class, that is grade 2, आप थोड़े छोटे हो, तो I have asked teachers to help you. Your class teachers would be creating the wakelet and you can send your Adobe web page. What are the topics we will discuss now? आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं on the screen it says complete as many of the 10 writing challenges, and it says from 2nd of November till 11th of December. Till 11th of December we can submit as many topics as we want. So the first topic is, should we have to wear bicycle helmets? So they are asking, this is a topic. On the right hand side, can you see? It's given. It's a topic where I am hovering the cursor. You have to write on this topic, and whenever you want to write on any topic, I'll share this link with your class teachers so that they can share in the class groups. You can click on this topic. The moment I click here, see what's happening. It is showing us the picture, video. We will play the video. Listen to this.
Should cyclists be forced to wear helmets? If you fall off your bike and hit your head whilst wearing a helmet, the evidence shows the helmet will help protect you. Doctors see patients sustain skull fractures and unsurvivable brain injuries as a consequence of the head striking the ground without a helmet. Some argue that introducing helmet legislation would significantly reduce the proportion of individual cyclists that are killed on roads. However, research also indicates that forcing people to wear helmets would make cycling less appealing and probably reduce the amount of cycling. Evidence shows that the health benefits of cycling vastly outweigh the health risks. In the UK, there is one death for every 30 million miles cycled, making it about as safe as walking. As part of the healthy lifestyle, cycling can play a major role in preventing conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Therefore, enforcing the use of helmets could still lead to an overall cost in public health if people are discouraged from cycling at all. In the Netherlands, almost nobody wears a helmet, but they have built safe bike lanes. Cycling is made even safer by reducing much of the motor traffic from towns and neighborhoods. Local authorities could help to encourage more people to cycle by creating car-free zones in town centres or by offering free bicycle maintenance opportunities. Let's hear what you think. Do you think wearing a helmet while cycling should be made law? How might being forced to wear a helmet affect the popularity of cycling? Why is it important to keep active through walking and cycling as opposed to travelling everywhere by car? And how can towns and cities be designed to encourage more people?
Okay,
Should
this is
cyclists
starting
be
again. I
forced
have to
to wear
stop this
helmets?
video now. So this is a sample that I was showing you, students. So like that, for every topic, you either have a video hint given or you have pictures given. So this is one topic. Should we have to wear bicycle helmets? Okay. When you listen to the video, you will get the idea what you have to write. And it's only 200 words that you have to write. So you can divide your writing, paragraph writing you are doing, and today also ma'am is going to teach you paragraph writing, right? And you can take help of your brothers, sisters and your parents as well. So you have to write 200 words. 200 words is the maximum. You can write little lesser than that also. So you can divide 4 paragraphs, 50 words in each paragraph about cycling for this topic. अगर आपको ये पसंद है, so you have to write on cycling. Should helmets be compulsory? Should cyclists be forced to wear helmets? That's a topic. Similarly, second topic is, could we end plastic production entirely? This is the second topic. You have to listen to this video to get the hint. From that hint, what you hear, you can write it in 200 words. Third topic is, how can drivers be convinced to use public transportation? Right hand side, the topic is written. And you know what? To your surprise, you should understand that the way we are creating Adobe Post, this is Adobe web page. This whole thing is Adobe web page, and you can create it on your own. I'll tell you how to do that as well. So the fourth topic is, should we produce more renewable energy or reduce consumption? ऐसे करके the moment I scroll down, there are 10 topics. So I don't want you to write on all 10, but whichever is your favorite, whichever you like, 1, 2, 3, you can write as many as you want. The next topic is junk food, healthy. In grade 2, I think 2A students had done the competition or a play in their edu day. Junk food and healthy food, hai na? Give me junk food, give me healthy food. You remember? Eklavya, Harveen, and Yojit, Nikhil, Achal, everyone participated in it. And you were saying that this is my favorite food, this is my favorite food. And that junk food and healthy food had the tug of war. So, similarly, you have to write about that topic, junk food, healthy food. Okay, this is the fifth topic. Sixth is, can veganism change the world? Similarly, there are 10 topics. Should there be monarchies? I think this would be a difficult topic for you to understand. But junk food would be easier one. Okay. Should international flights be banned? Should homework be replaced? And let's do one thing. We can take two or three topics, whichever is convenient. This one is easy for you, I suppose. Should homework be replaced by acts of kindness? Since few weeks in your class, you were sharing acts of kindness. All grade 2 students were telling acts of kindness, turn wise, whatever act of kindness they are doing. So you can write on that topic. They are asking, क्या आपको लगता है होमवर्क को चेंज करके एक्ट्स ऑफ काइंडनेस होमवर्क देना चाहिए? Okay, so you can listen to this video as well and you can frame your sentences. ठीक है? Eighth topic is, should smoking be advertised on social media? That's okay, you can leave this. So these are, I think this is the 10th topic, it is done. And what you will get? You will get some certificates like this. So now let's see how to create Adobe web page. Okay, I will open a browser for myself. And you know, this Adobe web page can be created on desktop site also. If you are on Android phone, then you have to open the browser of your phone and you have to write www.spark.adobe.com. See, it's written on the left hand side. Browser पे देखिए spark.adobe.com. I'll just copy this link and I'll paste it on your chat window so that it becomes easier for you. Before I go further, let me look at the chat window. What messages I have from students? Okay, Balteg had shown thumbs up, Anantpreet. What is the meaning of education, Riya? Education means padhai, overall development, reading, studying, cognitive skills, playing, learning different skills like collaboration, working with students. That is called education. Okay. So many thumbs ups I got. Wow, I'm just seeing all of them. Arpan, Tanveer, Subreen, Ritvik, Harveen, Balteg. Very good, very good. So means you all are actively listening to me. I know it now. That's good. So I'm going back to the browser. This is my browser. I have written spark.adobe.com. Okay. And when this page opens, I think you all can see this. This is your page. And आपकी ID password आपको पता है जो आप Teams की ID password use करते हो. You have to write, suppose my ID is Sharda Pulla Bhatla. So I'll write Sharda Pulla Bhatla at kamlanehruschool.onmicrosoft.com. जैसे आप लिखते हो ना, let me give you an example. You write, suppose your ID is 1020. So what will you write? 1020 at the rate kamlanehrupublicschool.com. Okay, and then you write the password. ये तो आप लोग लॉगिन करते ही हो ना, एडोब पोस्ट में पोस्ट बनाते हो आप लोग. So similarly, you go till this web page, home page. Okay, I can show you by logging out also. I think that might help you little. On my laptop, I had already logged in, so it is taken me directly to the page. So I'll try to show you. See, जब आप लिखोगे spark.adobe.com, this will be the page you get. Okay, everyone, can you see this? ठीक है. And if you have a Google ID or your brother sister has, you can use that. But what we do usually is हम करते हैं login with school account. On the right hand side it is written teacher or student और नीचे लिखा login with school account. So हमारी जो IDs हैं Adobe की, that is our school account. So we click on this and then I get the sign in page. यहाँ पे देखिए इट इज रिटन शारदा पुल्ला बटला. ये क्योंकि मेरी लैपटॉप है ऑटोमेटिकली आ गया है. इफ यू आर यूजिंग एंड्रॉयड फोन ऑन द ब्राउजर यू कैन राइट योर ID. Similarly, if you are using your laptop, you can write it on the browser, Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or Mozilla. It is up to you. You write this Okay, then you click on continue. Whichever your ID, जो आप Teams में use करते हो, same ID you will write. Okay. And when we write, it will ask us place to give password. We will write the password and I will click on continue. It's going inside the web page now. See, till here it was not showing me that it is my ID. It was generally logging in. Now it is showing me that it is my ID. Okay. Web page creation is very easy. You don't have to do much of a task. You can write it on a paper, click a picture and paste that picture, or you can write it directly here. So how do we go? Everyone ready? All eyes here. Navdeep has raised his hand. Okay, Navdeep, we will give you turn. Give me 2 minutes, please. Okay. So we click on the left hand side plus button. I am hovering my cursor. Can you see here? On the left hand side, first, second, third, fourth line. It is the fourth line. Just below the home button. Blue color में plus बना है. Blue color की box में white color की plus बनी हुई है. I click on this. So it will ask me, what do you want to create? So I need to click on second option, which is web page. Okay. So it is syncing. It will start the web page. The main thing is you writing about the topic. Once you have written it on a rough, you can write, or you can directly write here, add the title. So you see this button which is there, 4 arrows on the sides. That means you are ready to write. You click here. मैंने एक single click किया है. Nothing I have done, just single click and cursor is ready here. So suppose I want to write on the topic, should homework replaced with act of kindness? This is my topic. Okay, I leave it. Subtitle, 200 word challenge. Anyone who wishes can take a screenshot of this as well. Okay, as in whenever we stop. Now whenever you write a dev web page or you start creating, यहाँ देखिए अभी मैं लिख रही थी तो यहाँ लेफ्ट पे सेविंग आ रहा था. Now it has saved, so it is ready. And if I want to add any picture, the main thing is plus. ये जो plus यहाँ पर आता है, देखो अभी नीचे करूँगी. See this, ये plus ग्रे कलर में आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. This is very important. So अभी यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक one photo आया, means whatever photo you will add it here at the back, it will go as a background. So I will see find free photos. Okay, we'll take this. हमने लिखा homework. We are searching for the photo related to homework. So हमें ये मिला. I click on this option. Now it will be going back. देखिए. So we got this as a background page. ओके, शुड होमवर्क बी रिप्लेस्ड, ये हमने लिखा था और पीछे इसकी फोटो आ गई. देखिए यहाँ पे सेव हो रहा है. ऑल ऑफ यू कैन नोट हियर ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इट इज शोइंग सेविंग. नाउ इट हैज सेव्ड. अब वो सेविंग चला गया. आई स्क्रॉल डाउन, आई कम डाउन बिलो. अगर आपने पेपर पे लिखा है और आपने उसकी फोटो ली है, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द फोटो हियर. द मोमेंट यू गो टू दिस प्लस, जैसे ही आप टच करोगे ना इसको, इट विल गिव यू सो मेनी ऑप्शंस. ओके, these options are related to uploading your pictures or a video or a text you can upload. अगर मैंने text लिखना है, so I click on text. Okay, so I start writing whatever I am up to the paragraph or that I have to write. These are all the bold. Heading कर सकते हैं. Heading 1 is very big. Heading 2 is little small. This is different shapes that we have here. Okay. And then we click on the bold, and then I start writing here. For my opinion, homework helps us to complete and revise our topic that we have prepared. Okay. So I click outside. So how many words I have written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So similarly, I keep on writing here and it goes down below. If I have to add anything here, I keep on writing here only like this. Okay. If I do not want to add here, I want to add it in the next line. I click on plus again, and then I again take a text, and then I start writing. My favorite subject is English. So I complete my English homework on time. Okay, this is my another point. So I'll keep on adding points like this, and whenever I want to add a picture, I click on plus, I click on photo. See, there are two options. One, I told you that this, whenever you write a keyword here, and you can select a picture from the internet. However, if you have written on a paper and you have clicked a picture, the way in the gallery it is saved, जब भी आप कोई फोटो खींचते हो अपने मैम के साथ शेयर करते हो, so गैलरी में सेव हो जाती है. So if you want to add any picture which is in your gallery, you don't need to click on free photos, you will click on upload photo. Two important things. Okay, you click on upload photo. So what you all have to do today is you can take one of the topics, you can select one of the topics, and you can write 200 words for that topic, and you can share with your teachers. Okay, that's the most important part that you have to do. So let me take any image that I have here. I don't know what this image is. Let me see. I just click on this. ये मेरे downloads में है. I click on the image and I click on open. So this image is popping up here. Okay, this is Teams image. Okay, see. So how is my web page looking? This is how my web page is looking. Should I play it for you? I'll click on preview. जब भी आपने वेब पेज को प्ले करनी है, आपने प्रीव्यू क्लिक करना है. सी, जैसे आपने प्रीव्यू क्लिक किया, दिस इज हाउ योर वेब पेज इज. ये टॉपिक हमने लिखी थी, पीछे की पिक्चर हमने ली, 200 वर्ड चैलेंज, एंड दिस वी आर राइटिंग. दिस थिंग्स जो आप राइट कर रहे हो, इट हैज टू बी 200 वर्ड्स, एंड दिस इज हाउ आवर वेब पेज इज लुकिंग. ये बन गया हमारा वेब पेज. ओके, so similarly you have to make Adobe web page, or if you do not want to make web page, you can simply write it and send it to your teachers. I didn't do anything, बस मैंने preview पे क्लिक किया था, हमने देख लिया, एंड जब हमारा देखना फिनिश हो गया कि हाँ मुझे पसंद आ गया मेरी वेब पेज, I like the web page that I have created, I clicked on this cross. Can you see on the right hand side there's a cross? I clicked on this cross. Okay, that is how you have to do. How do you share with your teachers? It's very, very important. So you can make a note of these steps. You have to click on share. It will ask you publish and share link. The first option to share with your teachers, first step is you have to click on share. Second step is you have to click on publish and share. See, it is asking story. So I'll make it, name it as homework. You can give any name. I have given it name as homework. Okay, the caps lock was on. I'm sorry. Okay, and pick a category में. You can just leave these things as it is. ये हमने create कर लिया. You just need to click on create link. Now it is creating a link. Okay, for whatever we are writing, we have written for the web page. It is creating a link. It's taking some time. This blue color bar has to be filled up. Okay. It is going here. If you can see, if you can note, it still says creating your link. Earlier the bar had lesser time. It's only little part is left. This white will also become blue in color, and then it will be done. On the phone browser also you can use it, and on the laptop of course you can use it. So this has created a link. You click on this copy, and you can share this link with your teachers. You can send a note to your class teacher. Paste the link, send it, and tell ma'am that ma'am, this is the link that I have created for my Adobe web page. Now I am clicking on the cross. Okay, so this is your task. Your homework is creating a 200 word challenge on one of the topics. Okay, ma'am, please share this lecture video. Sure, Arpan, we will definitely share it. I'm going to the chat window to see if I have any other questions. So out of 10 topics, you can take any topic. Okay. Arpan has written, Aradhya has clicked picture. Very good, Aradhya. So you are doing it. Acha, this is a screenshot. All right. Apart from that, we have all the thumbs ups, and I have shared the link also of the Adobe web page, starting of the Adobe web page. Okay. So it's 9 o'clock and 11 minutes. I'm just stopping the recording. I'll share the